Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 4. Dr. Bob here. Another beautiful day in Monmouth, Oregon. Actually, it is a nice day today. We don't have any snow or ice. Temperature's starting to warm up just a little bit. Warm for here, the low 40s. So we'll take it for the last day of January. Thank you to those of you who expressed concern about my medical procedure. I told you I'd be out a good part of the day yesterday. Actually, what it was, I can tell you now, it was a colonoscopy. And, while that's not as bad as what some things could be, the prep is rather excruciating. The actual procedure is nothing. You're out for all that, but the prep is just awful, but well worth it, certainly, especially when you get to be my age. So I'm pleased to say I'm back, everything's fine, and again, thank you for your thoughts on that. Okay, so week 4. This week our discussion is on de jure segregation. That's how it's pronounced, de jure segregation. And I just want to say again, I'm seeing some remarkable work in the discussion boards. And normally I'll reach out to you if your work is exceptional, or conversely, if I think your work might need a little more work, I'll make comments to that effect too. Now you probably have noticed at this point that I respond to every one of your assignments, good or bad, and so far I haven't seen anything that's really concerning to me in a negative way. But I always give you some comments there, and if there's anything you'd like to add, one way or the other, if you feel maybe I'm being unfair to you or something, please let me know. So far I haven't had any complaints, but it's always possible. Okay, the midterm exam is coming up pretty soon. February 12th the exam will be open for you to see it. And I wanted to make sure, and again, this gets back to the comments that I make on your discussion board. I want to make sure that if I'm telling you to keep your work, because some of you have really put in a lot of work on the discussion board, and your work is exceptional. Trust me, you will probably be able to use it again for the exam. And I have no problem with that. If you want to use the same work, trust me, double dipping doesn't bother me in this course. I mean, that's the whole point in learning it. I had a professor, Dr. Shannon Monnet, who's currently at Penn State now. She does rural sociology, a wonderful professor if you ever have that opportunity to take a course from her. But she always told me, never write something that you're only going to use once. So you're more than welcome to borrow from your own work. If you borrow somebody else's work, of course, avoid plagiarism. Okay, so real quickly, I just want to tell you this now. For the midterm exam, you'll get your choice between 4 different topics to write on. You only need to pick one. One will be about the civil rights movement. Number 2 is on prejudice and socialization. The third one is on the paternalism concept. And the fourth is on segmented assimilation, which will be, I think we're getting into that now. So you'll pick one of those to write on, and obviously, when you see it, you'll understand the question a little bit better. But again, make sure you're keeping your discussion board comments, your work, because trust me, you will be using it again, and you may want to use some of it on your paper, and certainly on the final exam, you'll have an opportunity to use some of your work there again. Okay, that's basically all I have for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concern, as always, I'm here. I know a few of you, and I've addressed this with you individually, have missed an assignment, have missed a discussion board or quiz or something. Make sure you're getting in touch with me. Make sure you're communicating with me. I'm always there to work with you on it. Discussion boards can't be made up. But what I typically do if you miss a discussion board assignment is I look at the whole body of your work when I'm putting in final grades, and I'm flexible there as far as your final grade. I may, if you've done good work otherwise, I have no issues with you there. I will, make some exceptions for you, maybe bump your grade up a little bit. So again, never panic. Work with me just like you would with any of your instructors. Work with us, and we'll make sure that we're here to help you succeed. Okay, that's about all I have for you today. I've kept it under 5 minutes, which I always try to do. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll be talking to you all real soon. Thanks. Bye.